Okay, this is a hand mixer one I got for free from Free Cycle, which I love these older ones, portable mixer. I got it for free, and I was making banana bread yesterday and mixing it, and it just kind of went haywire and wouldn't wouldn't turn. So powered it down, brought it out here. Of course, one of the screws was stripped. Uh-oh. This little guy, can you see that? It's a little funky, yeah. But anyway, I was able to unscrew it with the standard Phillips. Well, that's a contradiction in terms. Phillips screwdriver. And now I got it taken apart. This is what it looks like on the inside. Some stuff around here. So this is what it looks like. Ugh. I don't know if that's normal or not, but I'm going to power it on and see what happens. Hopefully that's gross batter that I could just clean up. So, I'm going to plug it in.
Timer going off?
Okay, so I'm plugging it in. And now I'm going to turn it on. See where the issue is. Okay, I guess it is that bit right there. Alright, so let's try to clean it out. Okay, unplugged it. I'm going to get my, okay. I can't find my wire brush, so I'm going to use this old toothbrush. Hopefully that helps. Probably think this song is about you. You're so... Okay, honey. You're so very sorry.
Yeah, the one you have there is the one that I have.
Oh, okay.
And I ended up breaking it.
Oh, no, really?
So I need something heavier.
Okay.
Yeah, it was too heavy. I was too fat. It just fell off.
Oh, son. All right.
I think this will work. Just drill it in like that and then just hang it right here.
Right.
This is thicker gauge.
Okay. Take it. Take it.
Thank you.
Welcome. You're welcome.
What time are you guys coming over?
What time do you want us?
I think it was like 1.
Okay. What time is it now? Okay.
12.
Alrighty. We'll see you soon.
That's why I said if we can borrow a table and chairs maybe.
Come get whatever you want. Just because it's Father's Day may mean I'm delivering. So, no, yeah, there. Did you need the truck?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
Table?
That white one? Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Okay, but you can talk. So, I did that. Now I'm going to turn it back on and hope to God I didn't... Uh-oh, where's that piece, you guys? Remember? This little piece fell from somewhere. I don't know where. Let's turn it on and see what happens. If you want, just take the whole compressor box.
Okay, I'm just in your way.
No, you're not. I'm just saying. That way you don't have to be... Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Son of a sister. You guys, what's going on? Alright. What is causing it to be so stiff? I cleaned all that. Are the gears not lined up? You guys see anything obvious? I don't understand it. I see nothing else that is blocking. Absolutely nothing. Burning now. Alright. I have no idea. So I might have to post, this might be a please help video instead of a how-to. Okay, I'm gonna stop it now so I can go back and see where this little piece goes. If it's even part of it, who knows? It could have fallen from somewhere else. Okay. Okay, still don't have a good grasp on what the issue is, but I noticed I did turn it on, and when I turn up the speed, I unplugged it for it. You know, because it's a 3-speed, high, medium, and low. When I turn it on high, there was more movement. So that's low. Medium, nothing. But oh. I can't understand. Ah. Let's see. Okay. Guess I'll just try a little more WD. I don't know if I'm blowing it or not. Putting it everywhere. This might not be the answer, but the gears seem to be lining up with the drill or whatever you call it. I don't know the proper names of things. I'm just a regular old grandma, wife, and mother, homemaker. But I like to, you know, dig in and see if I can problem solve things on my own. Okay, let's try it again.
What are you doing?
Trying to fix my hand mixer. It got stuck yesterday when I was making the banana bread, when I was mixing it. And I cleaned it out. There was a bunch of batter, you know, crammed in there, but yeah, it just won't rotate. I didn't understand what the problem is, eh? I added WD-40 to all the gears, to all the places that spin.
I see.
Not a finger, not a finger.
I smell
And it's-
like burning.
Yeah, it's starting to burn. I gotta unplug it and stop. So I was trying to make a, you know, how-to video, but now it's becoming a I need your help video. All right, will you please stop for me, please?
Yes.
Okay, so